Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install PrimeOS, a popular Android-based operating system for PCs, laptops, and tablets. But first, why would you want to install PrimeOS? Well, if you love using Android apps but prefer the larger screen, keyboard, and mouse of a computer, PrimeOS could be a great solution for you. It provides a desktop-like interface, supports multitasking, and even allows you to run multiple instances of the same app. Plus, PrimeOS is free, open source, and customizable. Now, before we start, you'll need a few things. A USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage. A computer with a 64-bit CPU and at least 2 GB of RAM, more is better. The PrimeOS ISO file, which you can download from the official website, link is in the description. Step 1. Download PrimeOS. To get started, we need to download the PrimeOS ISO file from the official website. Open your web browser and go to primeos.in. Click on the download button and select the version of PrimeOS you want to install. You can choose between the standard version, which includes Google Play Store and Google services, or the classic version, which does not include Google components but is more lightweight. Once you've made your choice, click on the download link and wait for the file to finish downloading. Step 2. Create a bootable USB drive. To install PrimeOS, we need to create a bootable USB drive with the ISO file. There are many tools that can do this, but I'll use Rufus, which is free and easy to use. Simply insert your USB drive, run Rufus, select the ISO file, and click Start. Rufus will format the USB drive and copy the ISO contents to it. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Step 3. Boot from the USB drive. Once the USB drive is ready, we need to boot from it on the target computer. To do this, you'll need to press boot key, usually F9 or F12, during startup. Now select your USB, or mass storage, and now the computer should reboot from the USB drive. Step 4. Install PrimeOS. After booting from the USB drive, you'll see the PrimeOS boot menu. Here, you can choose to either boot into PrimeOS without installing it, which runs from the USB drive, or install PrimeOS on the computer's hard drive. We'll choose the latter option. PrimeOS installer is similar to that of Windows. It will ask you to choose the installation location, partition the drive, and set up the bootloader. You can either install PrimeOS alongside an existing operating system, or wipe the entire hard drive and install PrimeOS as the only operating system. The latter option is recommended if you want the best performance and stability. Once you've chosen the installation options and clicked Install, the PrimeOS installer will do its job. This may take a while, depending on your computer's speed and the size of the hard drive. When the installation is finished, the computer will reboot, and you should see the PrimeOS login screen. Step 5. Enjoy PrimeOS. Congratulations, you've successfully installed PrimeOS on your computer. Now you can log in, customize the desktop, and start using your favorite Android apps on the big screen. You can also connect external devices such as keyboards, mice, gamepads, and USB drives, and use PrimeOS as a full-fledged desktop operating system. And that is it for today. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.